Wednesday, June 21st edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East along with you. Going to spend a lot of time talking about Cindy down in the Gulf of Mexico a little bit later on in the video. We'll start off with a look at what's happening in North Carolina this morning. That's a live look from the Greensboro Tower camera during the 5 o'clock hour. Getting close to daybreak with some rain falling across parts of the region. The Charlotte area has been rather wet through the night as well. That's the Dowd YMCA camera. Temperature is at 69 there at the 5:45 a.m. time period at the Charlotte Douglas International Airport, with the humidity way up there 93%. There's highs yesterday across the region, and you've probably seen some of the news stories about the incredible heat back in the desert Southwest. Don't have any of those temperatures plotted, but for instance, you had a high temperature in Las Vegas of 117 degrees yesterday, tying the all-time record high. So in comparison, yeah, we've been muggy, but nothing at all that bad. Certainly manageable. These were your Tuesday highs across the Carolinas. All right, there's the radar this morning. So we take a peek at what's happening across the region. Generally some light rain, some pockets of moderate rain here and there down into South Carolina and coastal North Carolina. Most of the rain in North Carolina has been relatively light, such as what you see there early this morning through the Triad viewing region. Now further to the southwest, you get along the Gulf Coast, and that is where you have a lot of rain associated with Tropical Storm Cindy. More on Cindy in just a second. Now, as we go through the day today, there'll continue to be the chance for some showers and a few thunderstorms in the Carolinas today, especially south of Interstate 40. You get north of I-40, and the rain chance is pretty scarce, and even south of I-40, we're just talking this afternoon, a few showers or thunderstorms, but overall not a big deal. Nothing overly heavy in most spots today. Now, as we go through the day, that frontal boundary draped throughout the region, kind of falling apart over the next 24 hours. But still, it's south of that front. The best shower chances will reside. There's our high temperatures this afternoon across the region. We'll take a peek at the Greensboro skycast for today. Decent amount of cloud cover. The clouds will thin the further north you go in the region. Triad area high temperature around 83. All right, tomorrow, there goes Cindy into the Gulf Coast. Around here, a lot of cloud cover in the Carolinas, but only a few showers and storms. The rain chances don't look terribly impressive, at least in terms of the rain coverage Thursday. And there's your highs Thursday afternoon. And then we get into Friday and Saturday. That is when we could see the remnants of Cindy play a part in our weather. So I'll go with the idea of some pretty decent shower or thunderstorm chances Friday and again on Saturday. Not a washout, but some shower chances and thunderstorm chances as the remnants of that tropical storm try to move up in our general direction. So let's get here into your tropical update. There's the 5 a.m. advisory on Cindy, 60-mile-per-hour tropical storm, and that might be a little generous. This thing does not look very healthy at all. Centered about 170 miles south-southwest of Morgan City, Louisiana. We'll take a look at the warning situation early this morning. You do have tropical storm warnings all the way from the Alabama Gulf Coast to around Galveston, Texas, and this is the official National Hurricane Center forecast track going to near the Texas-Louisiana border region overnight tonight into early Thursday morning, and then from there continuing to lift to the north and weaken. Eventually this bends northeastward and again heads in our general direction with some enhanced rain chances along the track of the remnants of Cindy down the road. Now, wind not going to be a huge problem. This is going to stay a pretty weak system, but there's the wind potential along the Gulf Coast. You're looking at maybe 20, 30, 40-mile-per-hour winds, especially tonight into early Thursday morning as that system begins to approach and make landfall. The winds will then taper off from there later into the day tomorrow. But certainly the rain, the biggest deal with this, here's your rain potential, and I do think parts of Louisiana, Alabama, Mississippi, and western Florida could easily see 5 to 10 inches of rain associated with Cindy. So that's going to be the biggest deal associated with that tropical system. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.